Hello friends, welcome back in this tutorial. Today we gonna design pumpkin sofa chair model. Let's get started. As you can see, we are selecting a image right here and we will create this one. First we will take a tube from command panel. As you can see, we will select a tube and drag it to surface just like this. Now we have created this tube. Now we'll show it as a spaces mode just like this. Again we will go to move tool and give it axis 000 in all axis just like this. Now we will adjust the parameter of this tube. We can check segment, side segment. These are perfect for this kind of sofa. Now move on radius 1 and radius 2. Radius 1 should be 50 and radius 2 should be 16. This value will be perfect for this kind of sofa. Now we will change the color of this tube to black. Now give it to a modifier taper from modifier list. We can give it amount value accordingly. So I am giving it 0.1 value so that top part convert into wider and bottom part to narrow just like this. That's it. Now we'll give it to edit poly modifier so that taper modify merge on it just like this. Now we'll move to FFD modifier just like this and now adjust the control points of FFD. Now we have given the value 2 into 2 from all side to FFD modifier. Now select these 2 points and we will move it toward to up just like this, as you can see in perspective view. Okay, you can adjust it accordingly. Now we will select front control points of FFD and move it toward to up just bit like this. This is quite nice. Now we will give it to edit modifier so that FFD modifier merge on it. Okay, that's cool. Now we're gonna make a reference and copy of this. We'll give it name main references and again we are going to make a copy of this one just like this. We are going to add open subdiv to reference so that what work will be done on first tube that will show on reference. Now follow the steps and enjoy the music. You will get better result. You can put value correctly, but I am experimenting so that it will take time. Now you have this kind of result. This is final result. Hope so you will get it helpful. Please subscribe channel, do comment, like and share. Thank you so much.